Toyota showcased the facelifted Fortuner early last month in Thailand, and it comes with evolutionary cosmetic upgrades compared to the outgoing model. In an exclusive report, the first undisguised pictures of the Fortuner facelift was spotted tested on Indian roads. It will more likely be launched around September. The exterior of the 2021 Toyota Fortuner gets several revisions to extend the lifespan of the second generation that has been in the business since November 2016. On the outside, the changes look similar to that of the latest Fortuner sold in Thailand, with a presence of LED projector headlights with integrated LED DRLs flowing into the grille through a chrome strip and redesigned upper grille, which is more prominent than the outgoing model. It is equipped with a newly designed fog lamp housing with black bezels and front bumper with horizontal LED strip for turn signaling in the lower section can also be seen. The 18-inch alloy wheels, chrome window line, chrome door handles, black wheel arch cladding, side steps, revised LED tail lamps, sharper cuts and creases, underbody protecting skid plate are some of the notable visual elements. We do expect the India-bound model to get a host of new features pertaining to comfort, convenience and safety. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a new Optron meter with a 4.2-inch multi-info display, 360-degree camera, automatic climate control system, wireless charger, ambient lighting, etc. could be part of the equipment list. Now speaking about what's under the hood, it will likely continue to be matted with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2.4-litre 4-cylinder inline petrol engine developing 116 PS and 245 of peak torque could be carried forward as well with a manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission option. The 2021 Toyota Fortuner will have another major change on the mechanical side, as the 2.8-litre 1GD FTV inline 4-cylinder diesel engine has been upgraded to produce a maximum power output of 204 PS at 3400 rpm and 500 Nm of peak torque delivered at 1600 to 2800 rpm. Now speaking about the price, expect the price of the 2021 Toyota Fortuner facelift to be around 29 lakhs to 36 lakhs ex-showroom.